You love this person back to life. Before this person encountered you, they had a very bleak outlook on love. For some of you, they gave up on love entirely. That was until they met you. You had the capabilities to heal this person. For some of you, without even realizing it, it wasn't intentional. You had, and still have, I should say, the capabilities of allowing this person to choose themselves. This person was lacking in self love, and for some of you, you were going through your own self love healing journey, and through this individual seeing you living in your truth, pouring into yourself, choosing yourself, it made this individual choose themselves also. This person started to believe in the many possibilities that they could achieve in their life because they saw you going after your goals unapologetically. I feel for some of you that even before this person encountered you, they gave up on their dreams. They were living a life of having so much restrictions, putting blockages in their own way, being haunted and feeling traumatized by past patterns, past relationships. Your love healed them in such a way that they were able to release these past relationships. And I'm talking in regards to the wounds of these past relationships. And it was a traumatic experience, but this person may have felt like they had to hold on to the old as a way to make it feel real that they loved like they did in the past, if that makes any sense. It's almost as if they were punishing themselves. They felt like they deserved it. And you showed them so much love. Show so much acceptance. And the thing is, some of you could be parents already, and this person could be a parent, and you became a blended family. For others of you, this person's not a parent, and you created your own family with this individual. Or for some of you, you don't have children with this person, and you invited them around to your family, and your family adores them. They have never experienced this level of love before because they did feel that they were undeserving. They were going through life for such a long time thinking that no one cared about them. And because they felt like no one cared about them, they stopped caring about themselves. But it didn't stop them from loving you. See, this person, they are a giver. They are a giver also. But something about them made them feel like they were non-deserving of receiving love. That was until they met you. You showed them a whole new world. A whole new world full of possibilities. And this person has come alive right now. You have loved this person back to life. This person has reacquainted with their passion, with their goals. People from the past are saying that this person has changed. This person is smiling from ear to ear. They've got a spring in their step. This person feels more energized, more excited about life. They have found ways to overcome blockages that were placed in their mind. And yes, they do still get their down days, but you have inspired them to know that you can overcome the many pitfalls of life. And for some of you, this person's restrictions were from thought patterns. Now this person is finding ways to work around these thought patterns, and they're starting to connect to where these thought patterns actually came from. And they realize that they too have to choose themselves. They can't look outside of themselves. Everything comes from within. This person is learning to go within. and do the work. They are healing. This person is speaking up more, putting themselves out there more. For some of you, because of your love, this person is realizing that certain friend groups, even family members, have been part of their burdens, and they are not placing a huge emphasis on these burdens anymore. For some of you, these burdens could have come from their own mother, a mother figure, an ex-partner, ex-spouse. They're starting to believe in themselves now. They're starting to understand that whatever they want in life is achievable. And they are feeling confident enough to start closing out cycles. For some of you, this is past tense. Because this individual, they have gained clarity. They have gained clarity about a lot of different things. You know, they're not blaming others. They blame themselves also for accepting the lack of love that they were staying in, connections that they were staying in that were disrespectful, that were telling them that they were undeserving. They had to rewire their mindset after coming out of these connections. And they also take accountability for the roles that they've played, because they weren't innocent. And they were honest enough to express the part that they played, the things that they said, how they may have made other people feel in certain situations. There was a lot of undoing going on in this connection. For some of you, you had to separate from this individual so that they can do their own healing. Because you had things that you need to take care of, or this could be happening in the now. And this person understands that in order for them to gain success and victory in their life, they have to put in the work. For some of you, I'm picking up that this person feels you pulling away, or if they don't work on themselves, then they're going to lose out on you. You coming into this person's life has shown them that they are deserving. They are desired. You know, you have helped transform this person into viewing themselves in the way that you view them. You have inspired this person. You have encouraged this person. Most of all, you have respected this person. You have shown this person a lot of grace, a lot of wisdom. For some of you, this person actually wants to marry you. For some of you, this is an actual spouse. And because of your love, this individual is learning to love again. And if the relationship was tumultuous and turbulent, it was because they didn't receive a certain level of love from their mother, and they had to heal those mother wounds. You may have pointed out that this person's mother was quite toxic for some of you. You may not have said it in words, some of you did, and you may have been met with backlash is what I'm hearing. For others of you, just by you showing up, loving, being patient, understanding, being present in the moment, it made this person realize that, so you mean to tell me that I am deserving of someone focusing on me, someone actually caring about me? I didn't have this when I was growing up. Even though my mother was present, she was emotionally distant. You know, this is one of the ways in which you love this person back to life. For others of you, you said words of affirmation, inspiring words, loving words, words that they've never heard before. They may have been in a relationship and it was a toxic one. whereby they were doing all the investing and no one was giving to them. This person felt like they had to walk this earth alone. And for some of you, they are alone right now. They're doing a lot of reflection. They could be rereading your messages, how loving, inspiring, genuine you actually were. They're starting to value themselves. They're starting to understand themselves. They're starting to relearn themselves. You have loved this person back to life.